Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with 4 trades. Today's date is September the 22nd, and today I want to show you how you can make huge gains trading futures. They will really produce pips and or money, but you do have to be careful, because just as easy as you can make a lot, you can also lose a lot. So your trading has to be excellent. So today I ended up doing 4 trades here, as you can see, all futures. But before I get into these trades, this is very important, and I repeat it within the first minute or two of every video, because this is what you have to understand and learn this concept. I would like to inform you that all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time, and that includes all my trigger systems. It took me 8 years and over 700 trading systems to learn that. To get that up to 80 or 90% success rate, you'll have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You will also have to learn trade management and money management. To be successful in trading, all you need is a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, and a lot of education. I provide the education. You must buy the education, and then you must do the homework, or you will fail at trading. I highly suggest putting in more than 1 trade at a time, as no one knows which pair will move the greatest number of pips. That is why I place 3 or more trades at a time. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will encourage me to do more of these videos. If you leave your name and email address, I will put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Okay, now we can get into these trades. First one was the S&P 500. Keep in mind, before I pull the trigger, I do, as well as you should do, drill down the lights from the higher time frames. You want to be going in the direction of the trend. Once I establish the trend, then I'll either put a down or up arrow on the S&P 500. Today it was up, so there's the up arrow. So then I took the trade. I took the trades right around 6 o'clock in the morning, New York time, and I closed them all out almost to the second at 9:58. So approximately, and it did take a while for it to materialize, but roughly 6, 7, 8, close to 4 hours by the time I ended up closing the trades. So let's see where I got in at. Took the trade right here. It did jump around a bit. Not much you can do about it, but remember, if you're going in the direction of the trend, it will come back. So I took the trade at this cursor right here, closed it out, looks like with 31 pips here, and looks like 31 pips paid out on the S&P 500, $1,500. Remember, I close out the trades when I'm generally happy, and I'm happy with a minimum 100 pips a day. And looks like today this should be at least 200 pips. I know on other platforms and traders will call this ticks, but whatever you want to call it, ticks or pips, I'm so used to, after 17 years using the MT4 platform, and calling it pips. So call it as you wish. Gold is the next one. Drill down the lights. I knew I wanted to be selling, so there's the arrow to remind me. I got in the trade right here. Now, I did do this jumping around. Remember, the opening bell happens right at 9:30 in the morning. There it is, 9:30. Should have closed it out over here, but had some distractions around the house here. you know, and I'm sure you can relate to that. But nonetheless, even after the opening bell did this jumping around, the higher time frames pulled it back down. So took the trade at this cursor, closed it out, looks like with 18 approximately pips, and 18 pips on gold, paid $1,780. Moving on to the next trade, oil. Let's drag and drop. There's the arrow. As I drill down the lights, higher time frames were saying to buy. Again, just did this little bit of a movement down before it went up. Took the trade at this cursor, closed out the trade with 36 pips, and 36 pips on the oil trade paid $3,600. Moving on to the last trade, the Russell. Another one that moves quite nicely. Drill down the lights. There's the arrow reminding me to buy. So let's see where I got in at. It went mostly sideways, a little bit down, and I closed out the trade as I said earlier. Just being happy, and I was definitely happy with 115 pips, and 115 pips paid $11,500. This Russell pays out quite a bit, as you can see, but I did get a lot of pips, 115. So another fantastic day of trading. Today's trading did produce 200 pips or ticks, whatever you want to call it. And those 200 pips ended up paying out $18,380. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my super trader, I suggest you get some more information on it. And to do so, all you got to do is look right below this video. Here it is right here, Super Trader System. I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. If you don't learn this, you'll never succeed. My Super Trader has well over 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Comes with 5 MT4 templates, 12 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Now it does come with a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This extra education is what you need to succeed at trading in the markets. The more you can get your hands on, the better it will be for you. Now there's a lot of ways to trade here. My number one way is a great way to trade. Like this is a perfect example on the Russell here, using the indicators on the top and the bottom. It is screaming to buy. Now there are 45 training videos, and one of them also is how to backtest using the trading simulator. Now I'm not going to go through all these ways to trade. And of course, the more ways that you learn how to trade, the more pips you'll make and you'll become a better trader. Read all this, and if you have any questions at all, if you have any, as I said, questions, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, just send me an email. Here's my email. There's an underscore right here. Don't forget it. Now I really do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link right here, and we will have Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a session, and that is a free session, and answer your questions and give you some tips and tricks. Remember, I'll do all of that with no obligation to you. Now if you click on this link right here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So that just about wraps up this video, and I'll repeat it one more time again. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video and trading day, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.